Hey vlog, welcome. So we are about to get our hair done. We're getting our hair re-dyed because it's been like 6 months since the last time I got our hair dyed. So we're about to do that really quick. I'm super excited because my color is just not there anymore. So we're about to go do that right now. Here's a cute, quick little outfit of the day. Super cute, chill, casual. You can't see. Hold on. So here's a cute little outfit of the day. This top is from TikTok Shop. These jeans are from Forever 21 or H&M, one of the two. This bag is from Target, a New Day brand. And then my regular sandals, Jeffrey Campbell, Forever 21 necklace, Apple Watch, that's it. And yeah, let's go get our hair done. We are going to get a twist out, I believe, this time. I'm not going to get a silk press because 1, it's raining almost every single day. 2, it is hot. And 3, because I don't want to wear my hair straight right now. I'll wait until like September, October to wear my hair straightened again. It's just not going to last. So we're getting a twist out, professional twist out by my sister, Judy. And if you want to book for her salon, all the information will be in the caption. But anywho, let's go. Let me throw on some sunnies. Let me grab my Tylenol. I'm going to wear these sunnies from my Brown Sugar Babe PR box. As far as fragrance, I'm wearing Tropical Inferno Brown Sugar Babe body oil. It's a new one for the summer. And then I'm wearing Miami Nectar perfume. So here is the look. Let's go get our hair done. Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
I'm gonna take the hair out in a day because I ain't going nowhere, so I left it twisted with the color. So I need to actually grab my Fenty hair. We're gonna go into hair real quick, y'all. This is what the hair looks like. Okay. I need to grab my Fenty hair cream when I'm untwisting this. It's gonna be cute, I think. It might be cute. I don't know. If it's not cute, I'm gonna make it cute because I got no other choice at this point. Like, we're gonna have to make something shake. So you're either gonna be cute or you're gonna be cute. Like, there's no other options. All right, so this is what it's looking like. I'm going to add my curl defining cream. All right, so I'm going to, did I do the cream after? Let me just untwist one and see if I have to use the cream. So I got it flat twisted, and then I got it twisted at the end. And the reason why I got it flat twisted this time is because I wanted my hair to specifically go like this. So it got parted that way. A little bit of something to my hands so that it doesn't frizz. I hope I like it. Ain't no going back now. And a little bit of cream on my hand. Untwist. Okay, this is gonna be cute because these are cute right here. That's where the curl's at. She's cute. Oh, I especially love the ends. The ends are just like so bouncy and juicy. Like, look at that. Oh, that's cute. See. All right, flat twist. I'm gonna have to do you again next time. Let's see how long this twist out lasts. It'll probably last me a good week. Maybe more because I ain't been this so much. It feels so soft. Twist out is twisting out, baby. It's so cute. I just love it. Yeah. Now we got some peekaboos back here. Oh, cute. Okay, now it's time to style this thing. I'm just gonna kind of pull them out a little bit, make sure everything is untwisted. Make sure you can't still see the lines where they were twisted at. Oh my gosh. My hair has never been this defined and curly. Like, this is so cute. It's such a cute little short curly moment, and I'm here for it. Okay, I am 100% here for it. I love just how juicy and curly the curls are. This might just be how I do my twist outs from now on. Flat twisted on wet to damp hair, sit under a dryer for about 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, because usually I just twist them. I just 2-strand twist them and then leave them like overnight and then untwist it, but they never, look at the curls. I'm sorry, but like, look at the curls. Yeah, you can see it. All right, so now I'm gonna put this scalp stimulator oil, just especially on this part, because it looked a little dry. You know, after all, I did get some color, so we're just gonna put that in there just to make sure we're not looking ashy. Just like that. I don't want the part to be too defined, so I'm gonna leave it just the way it is. And tonight when I separate my hair, I am going to put some castor oil, because now that my hair is color treated for the second time, I want to make sure that it stays hydrated. This is so cute, y'all. I'm gonna tease the roots just a little bit, not too much. I'm using my head massager, and I'm just gonna tease it just a little bit to bring some volume, especially on this side. I want this side to give like big voluminous. So yeah, you could have short curly hair and with a cute style as well. So this is a flat twist out. So it was flat twisted, sat under a dryer, let it dry. Oh, this is so cute. I'm so happy. I'm really happy the way it turned out. I was really nervous because I've never got my hair flat twisted before, but this is cute. Oh yes, this is cute. So I'm gonna actually add some shine mist to my hair. I want to make sure that it looks very like fresh and like voluminous. I want it to really look just like sharp, like, and I feel like the shine will give me the look I'm looking for, and it did. Oh, that's so, y'all, my curls have never been this defined. Like, I'm actually a little shook. Okay, all right, let me do just a little swoop right here, because you know I can't help it. We can't help ourselves as girls. We always got to have a little swoop. For my swoop, I'm using Baskin Lather Edge Control. This is the best edge control out there. I'm telling y'all, I have a lot of edge controls, but the Baskin Lather one, she's the 10 out of 10. You spray your brush first, you activate it with water, dip it in there, and then you just, oh, look at that. So good. When I tell y'all this edge control, especially if you have like super curly hair, this will keep you right where you need it to be. Oh, that's so pretty. Baskin Lather Edge Control, I'm trying to tell y'all. Makeup. Oh, this is so cute. Y'all, I think this is such a cute hairstyle. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. I don't know what I'm wearing today, but I'm gonna come back on here and give y'all the final look of everything. Let me get dressed. Oh, I just love it. Look at this. When you see my hair color in the sun, it's gonna be way different than what you see here, because right now it looks so dark because I'm on the inside, but my curls have never been this defined. Like, I am about to take pictures like a lot of pictures today because this is so cute to me. Like, this will make me embrace a style like this would make me embrace my natural hair every time because how cute is this? I love it. All right, let me get dressed because your girl is actually a little bit late. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing. I'll be right back. Don't leave. It looks really, really good. I love it. And then, yeah, the hair came out really, really cute. So this is how the hair turned out, you guys. Untwisted. I love it so much. The color is still a little bit off than what I wanted. It kind of looks burgundy. It kind of looks brown. It doesn't look copper. I don't know what's up with my hair. It's just like not taking color completely well, but I do love the way it looks. It looks different. It looks fresh. It looks healthy, but it's just like I feel like my hair is just having a hard time sucking in the color without like a full head of bleach, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna rock it like this. But you guys see the colors, like, is it brown, is it burgundy, is it copper? Like, you can see copper tones at the top, but like the inside looks like, right, all this looks just dark brown. I don't know, but I do love the hair. I love the way my hair looks and feels right now, and I'm super excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, follow me for more videos, and if you want any details on who did my hair, it's in the description box. That was my sister. If you are in South Florida, please visit her salon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.